Today we're remodeling this old farmhouse bathroom. We came in this old bedroom and removed the closet to make this bathroom a lot larger and more feasible. As you can tell, this old bathroom, it needed a makeover pretty bad. So we come in and started remodeling it, and the surprises started happening. This drain on this sink wasn't even connected. Layers of flooring acting as band-aids, just covering up the rot. Once we got that floor pulled up, the joist wasn't even connected. It done rotted off. So we had to come in and switch the joist over. Got to move this light switch from here to here. They had the light switch on the outside of the bedroom, so we're moving it over to the inside. So we'll move that light switch, and we're gonna jump from here over to there with a vanity light. And we'll also come up here and put in a can light. This box here would be a GFI for a vanity. It's gonna go down here.
Jaden loves this basil color. Yeah, and I think this is probably like color. Yeah, because we initially went like this color, and it was light. And then we was thinking about that in the bathroom, but I don't know.
Decisions being made. Gotta get in here and run these wires. Put our GFI in. What y'all think about that old attic fan put up there back in the day before that air conditioning to cool these homes? Got a beadboard installed, got it stained. Color is Kuna. Putting in our last layer of flooring. That'll be the last layer before we install our plank flooring. We were blessed with some old used tin. We taken recycling it. What you see in here is we removed some old paneling off the walls in our previous videos, and we took it and put it on the table saw and cut it up, and now we're installing it as a nickel gap board. We got our tin installed, got a wall board up, some lights, started on our trim. So if y'all enjoyed this video, be sure and hit that like button, and stay tuned. We're going to continue working on this old farmhouse. And as always, God bless. Thank y'all for watching.